I,
to swear in the name of God that I will bear fair and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Nagaland, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
I,
To swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Nagaland, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now have a special song, This Is Me, brought to us by the Bright Lights of the Task Force for Music and Arts.
I'm not a stranger to the dark. I know it, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken hearts. I'll get to be ashamed of all my scars. Right away, they say, oh, we love you as you love you as you love. Don't let that break me down to dust. I know that there's things for God. Oh, we are glorious.
sharpest words for the Kavita.
Sharpest words got me
For
down.
Santa
Send the birds on the ground. This is me, love the director. Here I come, here I come. Marching on to the director. Marching on to the director. This is me, I'm in love. This is me. Another round of fun is my skin. Go far away, let's stay on the red ship. We are bursting to the very end. We are warriors, and that's what we do. This is me. The God can see right now. Here I go, here I go. Marching on to the director. Marching on to the director. I make no melody. This is me.
Thank you, beautiful Bright Lights, for the beautiful performance. Ladies and gentlemen, after the national anthem, the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Governor will proceed downstairs for a group photograph with the Honorable Chief Minister and the Council of Ministers. We request all guests to kindly remain seated in the hall until the Honorable Prime Minister departs the venue. Ladies and gentlemen, we now request you to rise for the national anthem.
तो अब देख रहे थे सीधा प्रसारण नागालैंड की राजधानी कोहिमा से, जहां नई
हास्तनि विधानसभा चौंग मारिवा कायथाम सिथाम आसुक थे मानै कपलाई अंखा बीजेपी ते आईपीएफ नि कथासक बदल ताबो कपलाई अंगमा यागोलो मंत्री अक्रा मंग साखलाई जखा बदल नि बखाक्दै डॉक्टर मानिक शाह अंगनाय हास्तनि मंत्री अक्रा बदल ने एमएलए रोग ने गोशे मंग मानै ताबो खाइनो हाई मंत्री अक्रा ने आसुक थाइवा आचुक नैबो 2023 बिशुव एमपी बिप्लव